Hello, friends. Today, I will talk to you about how you can reactivate a deactivated Instagram account. I will share with you the latest methods that you can try. We will discuss what you can do in order to achieve this. It seems that your account has accumulated spam and encountered a bug. In such cases, it is necessary to take action. We provide professional support, and if you reach out to us, we can reactivate your account and deliver it back to you. The process typically takes between 24 to 48 hours. We will reopen your account and hand it back to you once it is active again. I wrote my contact information in the description section. You can reach me there. If your account has not been reactivated, I am here to explain the tactics we should follow now. First, if you opened your account with a Gmail address, you go to your Gmail inbox. Then, you write info@instagram.com here, and afterwards write help me. Here, you write your full name, username, date of birth, phone number, and Gmail address. Then, you write a message related to the topic here. You write a message to Instagram officials to resolve your issue. After that, you copy this text and send it. I will leave this link in the description section. We call it data access. Choose the fourth option, full name, username, email address, I accept, and click send. Then, I will also leave this in the description section. Select the first one. Choose the email address. Send the same message that we sent earlier here as well. Then, download a free VPN through a VPN service, log in, and open Instagram. After that, log into your Instagram account. You log into your Instagram account and check if the issue has been resolved. You verify if the problem is still persisting. Log into your Instagram account and check if the problem with your account has been resolved. If the problem continues, it is likely that your account has a significant amount of spam and has encountered a bug. In such cases, action needs to be taken. I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description section. You can contact me through there. We provide professional support and guarantee 100% results in reactivating your accounts. We handle account closure and account recovery processes. Feel free to reach out to me. That's all for today. Goodbye.